Hi, welcome to my Foodypar channel. Kindly subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. Let's get started.
First, let's prepare stainless baking pan for our tikoy mixture. 1½ cups glutinous rice flour.
Kindly watch this video until the end for the complete recipe and costing with its business name.
1 cup rice flour. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 tablespoon magic sarap. 1/2 tablespoon ground white pepper. Mix dry ingredients. Do not add ground white pepper or just less the amount if you don't like spicy taste.
Don't forget to like and follow our Foodypar page to get updates for our free raffle every month.
Gradually add 1 3/4 cups water.
If you wanna know how much to sell it, please watch until the end. Shout out to our ka-foodie Flor Delita Reyes. Shout out to our ka-foodie Lloyd DTV. Shout out to our ka-foodie Jo Beth Kitchen. Don't forget to like and follow our Foodypar page to get updates for our free raffle every month. Subscribe to our Foodypar channel on YouTube for more new updates of videos.
Once incorporate, set aside for a while. Pour enough water to the casserole. Cover and place to the stove. Wait until boiling the water in medium heat. Place the raw tikoy to steamer plate. Make sure to mix it. Make sure the water is boiling before placing the raw tikoy. Steam for 25 minutes in medium heat. After 25 minutes, uncover and turn off the heat. Set aside the tikoy until cool down. While waiting for the tikoy to get cool down, prepare the 80 grams of breadcrumbs. Spread a little bit oil to tikoy and spoon once cool down.
Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you may follow us on Facebook for more delicious and business recipe.
Scoop 1 tablespoon of tikoy and make it a ball shape. Next, coat it well with breadcrumbs. Make sure to gently press it to stick the breadcrumbs to tikoy ball. I made 38 pieces of raw tikoy balls. Lastly, put the 3 pieces of tikoy balls to the stick. Make sure to gently press the tikoy balls while sticking it to the stick.
Don't forget to like and follow our Foodypar page on Facebook. Thank you.
Make sure the cooking oil is completely hot before frying. Just fry it for few seconds to 1 minute until golden brown.
If you wanna know how much to sell it, please watch until the end.
Fry it in medium heat. Once completely golden brown, carefully remove it from the pan. Don't forget to like and follow our Foodypar page to know how to join in our free raffle every month. Prepare 12 pieces of paper plates. Then place each tikoy ball stick to the paper plates.
Thank you for watching mga ka-foodie. I hope you like it and give this a try. Now, it's time to taste it. You may forward this taste test to take down notes the complete list of ingredients and costing of this negosyo recipe. If you are curious to its taste, then it's time for you to make this delicious recipe for you and for your customers to earn big profit.